Yeah.
500, get out.
500? Yo, you don't got stop with you today?
Black screen, stop.
What I run it? All right, that was funny, Mike. All right. Don't say I don't do my job. I got funny Mike in the joint, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? We in the line. That's how it looks inside so far. I need it. He said, I need it. I need my pass. I should have went in one of those lines. I'm over here following random niggas' ass. Far. Whatever, I should have been in that line. Far. Dated. Far. Whatever. Before you know it, this shit gonna be over, but we starting early, gang. Dreamcon 2026. You know what I mean? We here. I look tapped. You know what I mean? But I'm tight. This shit is really on me, like really on the body. Like I'm really living shitty. I'm gonna go into the bathroom, we gonna handle it, but like right now I'm living shitty, dog. I'm living super shitty, dog. See them niggas vlogging, everybody vlogging, got their shit right. Let's get it, dog. Y'all see this man's greatness?